everyone, this is Ellie. Welcome to our channel Fix Unlimited. Recently, a lot of iPhone users are facing your speaker issue. Their speakers are not working, they cannot hear anything at low volume when someone calling. In this video, I will show you how to solve this issue. First of all, clean the speaker. Take a soft toothbrush and softly clean the dust on your speaker. First solution is enable hearing aid compatibility. Open settings. Go to accessibility. Click on hearing device. Now enable hearing aid compatibility. Second solution is turn off Bluetooth. Open setting app. Click on Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Third solution is set call audio routing to speaker. Open setting app. Click on accessibility. Tap on touch. Then go to call audio routing. Switch it to speaker if selected any other option. If you anything to ask, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.